Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to enable captions or subtitles on Prime Video. Let's get started. Enabling captions or subtitles on Prime Video is generally straightforward, though the exact steps can vary slightly depending on the device you're using. It's a general guide based on information from Amazon's helpful sources. So the most common method is to look for a closed caption or subtitles icon during video playback. This icon is usually located within the playback control. So you select this icon and it allows you to turn subtitles on or off, to choose your preferred subtitle language if multiple languages are available, and in some cases adjust subtitle settings like text size and color. Now in some devices you can also set this before playback. On certain devices, you might be able to find subtitle options on the titles overview screen. You may need to navigate through the menu options on that screen. It's as simple as that. Now you see Roku devices have their own caption settings. You typically need to adjust this through the Roku's system settings rather than within the Prime Video app itself. How do you do this? You go to Roku settings menu, then accessibility or captions, and adjust the caption mode from there. It's as simple as that.